We're at Nabati in Wynwood because it's a little stressful out here and we want to soothe that with maybe a little stress eating. One thing we don't talk about much is how it affects your physical body. This is Dr. Sam Rassoul, and he's here to talk to us about just that. So Sam, tell me, what is stress doing to my physical body?
Aches and pains, to actually feeling numbness and tingling, to feeling restrictions in your movement, and a plethora of other things. Many of my patients come to me and they say, you know, I haven't had these kind of symptoms before, but all of a sudden they're starting to rear their ugly head now. The number one thing is that your body demands more nutrition on itself to handle the stresses, and then you have the symptomatology come out. We already have emotional stress, we already have chemical stress, we already have structural stress. Your bucket is almost full. Then it only takes is, you know, do we have this pandemic going on? I don't want to wear the mask anymore. When am I going to be able to enjoy the things I love to enjoy on a daily basis? These things start to build up, and then your body demands more nutrition, and then the aches and pains can come, the twitching can come. It's different for everybody. It's just mainly making sure you recognize these things sooner rather than better.
Right, and we are at Nabati, and later we'll get a taste of the ice cream, which I'm excited for. But the reason we are here is to talk about if you're going to soothe the stress with maybe stress eating, that there's ways that you can do that and still look after your health.
Exactly. If you have structural stress because of bad posture, how many people out there have been working from home, they're at their dining room tables, they're on their couch, they're in these bad postural positions, and then they wonder why, as we go through our society right now, they have more emotional irritability. They are quicker, their fuse is shorter, they're quicker on the draw. To combat that, you want to make sure that your body, obviously you want to fix your posture, which we do help in our office, but also that you're giving your body the right nutrition to handle this new stress, whether it's bad posture, emotional irritability, the different types of stress. So we're here at Nabati because it's a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth without feeling the detrimental effects of eating poorly. It's okay to satisfy your sweet tooth, but doing it with plant-based ice cream is an easy way to make sure you're giving your body what it needs without what it doesn't. It's about self-assessment. So what are the stressors in your life? Whether it's structurally, like you said, bad posture, also chemical stresses, how you're eating, what you're eating, when you're eating certain things, and of course, emotional stress, which you want to combat with meditation, taking time for yourself, reading, doing different things that make you happy. That's really, really important that you make sure that you're combating the day-to-day stresses that will come at you.
Yeah, well, let's grab some of this ice cream and soothe some of our stress.
That's not going to be stressful because it's going to be so good.
We've got our ice cream here, and what's great about this is that there's superfood inside of it as well, so we're not only treating ourselves, but we're really treating our body well.
Listen, treat yourself times two.
Yeah, so I'm gonna get a bite of this. Give me a quick recap of what we've talked about so far.
So basically, we're talking about the interchangeability of different types of stress. It can manifest itself structurally. It can manifest itself chemically by having people have indigestion and other symptoms like that. So addressing all three fronts, your structural stress, your chemical stress, and your emotional stress. And when it comes to chemical stress, watching what you eat, making sure you give your body what it wants, but also treat yourself, and treat yourself the right way using plant-based nutrition like here at Nabati Ice Cream.
Well, thank you so much. Reward yourself with a taste
I'm gonna
there.
take this mask off here and enjoy it myself. Woohoo!
Yeah, you can have ice cream and it can be good for you, and you can also be stress eating without actually being detrimental to your health. So
I'm doing my happy dance.
Thank you so much. We're gonna enjoy this.